Hey guys, you've joined us live on Moneycontrol. I'm Manisha Gupta, and we're talking about the coal prices right now, which may have continued to decline. But the positive on this is that the demand is expected to hit a record highs in 2023 globally. That is what the report from IEA says, and this is not the first year that would happen because last year as well, the global coal consumption was at an all-time highs. Well, there has been strong growth in Asia from power generation to industries, and if you look at the Asian markets itself, well, 70% of coal consumption demand comes in from China and India. China, India, and Indonesia, by the way, also produced the record coal in 2022, and we are looking at numbers continuing strong for this year as well. So when you look at the coal consumption overall, 2022 saw 3.5% of a jump up, and the final number that we saw in the previous year in sense of consumption was 8.3 billion tons. Now this year, in the first half of this year, we have seen a jump up of 1.5%, and we already have done a consumption of 4.7 billion tons, with the street anticipating that the second half of this year could be looking at even stronger numbers, and we would easily surpass in what we did in the previous year. For the Indian coal production itself, FY23 saw a number of around 893 million tons. Now, this year, that is expected to be surpassed, and you could be looking at a coal consumption in India at 1,012 million tons. When you look at the prices, that clearly are moving in a different trajectory because there are enough supplies, demand being stronger as well. So there is a bit of a balance there. So an all-time high in sense of coal prices that we saw in September 2022 at around $457 a ton, we are trading much lower than those levels. Actually, when you look at the prices in the beginning of this year, we started January 2023 with almost $400 a ton, but currently we are trading at $130 a ton. So from a start of $400 to around $130 a ton, we have seen a very sharp fall come in for the coal prices, with the street anticipating that with the kind of coal production numbers that we are working with, the prices perhaps could just about stay around these levels itself. Actually, various forecasts or projections suggest that for the rest of 2023, you could be looking at a range of 120 to 180 on the higher side at max best.